What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Got my 64 Buick Skylark out, man. Got parts right there. As you can see, this is gonna be a minute before I get this thing to where it need to be. It's gonna be a minute to get parts, and it's a whole shell, man. Whole restoration. Whole restoration going, man. 1964 Buick Skylark, man. 8-body. I've always wanted a convertible, man. Finally got my hands on one. Today I'm just gonna be cleaning. I think I just gonna clean the tires up, man. I'm gonna do something to it, man. It just been sitting for a minute. I've been had this project now for a while, man. To give y'all some insight on it. Gonna need a complete restoration, man. But the thing about it is, the doors are still in good shape, man. Still in good shape. It's dead. Go there and play. Go play. Still in good shape, man. Still got some good parts on the car. A little surface rust here and there. And then a good gun can get down to that. It's dead. Can you hear? So, you know, just, yeah, man. Whole thing, man. I don't think I'm gonna be doing no rim racing in the car, but I know for a fact it's gonna be a good street car. Good street car, man. Good, maybe show car, but it ain't gonna be no it ain't gonna be a conversation piece. We gonna actually fix this car, and we gonna drive this car. You know. Damn. Put the lights on. Put the lights on. Here's something. Pop something I ain't supposed to pop, but whatever that pop, gotta go buy some more. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a fun project, man. It's gonna be a time-consuming project because definitely need work. Need a good bit of work, man. And we gonna make sure we get it all done. Gonna make sure we get it all done. I think this motor, and it came in this car, was a 302, or I think it was a 302. Still V8 in this car, but I got a 455 to go with it. Everybody going LS, but I still may go this 455. I'm really not sure, but it's about to get ready to happen, man. It's about to get ready to happen. I had been wanting this car for a while from OG partner of mine, and he finally let me got it. The car, I think, is originally out of Wisconsin, Janesville, Wisconsin, Rock County, Buick Company. I got the pieces to go with the car in the trunk. And man, I'm excited. Super duper excited about what's about to get ready to come from this car, man. Super excited. So yeah, just been sitting. I think the car set. He said the car set for about 7 years. I think the car set for about 7 years. man. So, you know, now I just gotta I gotta get ready to make it happen with the car, man. Buick Skylark, man. I appreciate y'all, man, for always rocking with me, man. I'm just out here cleaning, man. Pulling out some of the projects I do got. I got this project. I got another project that I don't want to tell y'all about quite yet. But if you follow me, man, y'all already know what I got going on. I'm just now bringing all the stuff over to this channel. Finally getting some time to, making some time to record and get the Skylark on this channel. I was going to do something separate, but for right now, I'm going to just be giving y'all insight on what I got going on. And what I got going on, man, is exciting to some people. It's always exciting to me. A lot of people like to see the, you know, the don't races and stuff on the channel, but forget all that, man. Y'all rock with me, man. Y'all rock with me, man, and I appreciate it. But yeah, man, cars, racing, just enthused, period. Car enthused, period. People that collect cars. We here, man. Let's go, man. Life is going, regardless if we want to go or not. Life gonna keep going, and we got to keep going as well. And that being said, with that being said, you know, whatever cars you got, whatever projects you want to get, if you get the opportunity, man, grab them, because there's gonna be a time where you can finish your cars, man, and your projects. We all dealing with stuff with life, with COVID, with all the other things out here in the world, but we can't be afraid to live. We got to keep living. We got to keep living. Dog going crazy back there. She keep living. But we're just gonna keep on doing what it, make it do what it do. So, man, like I said, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for rocking with me. I did a quick walk around. I'm gonna see the after effects or whatever. We gonna go from there.